guys, what's up? Today I'm here with a new video of Free Fire, and right now I'm thinking about that I will be doing solo versus squad in Classic Bermuda. If I can, it will be a grace for me. So let's see if I can. Let's start. And I have changed my name. My name is Devil Shorov. Please see about that. And if you want to send me a friend request, you can see my ID at the end of the video. Let's go. Okay, so we are in the temporary lobby right now. So here is my name, Devil Shorov. Devil, then in between $sign, and then Shorov. Okay. Sorry. And now I will let it. Okay. So let's go. Now we will be in the plane. Just wait a minute, and we are in the plane. And now where we are going to land, I should see about that where I am going to land. I think so. My favorite place, Puchno. Let's go. If I can do a booyah, so please give a like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And now let's go to Pochinok. I think so in factory and in hangar, more of the enemies will come, because in factory fist fight and in hangar the blue zone. Oh no, one squad is coming. So what I shall do now? Oh my god, it's not good. If I do not get a shotgun right now only, then I'm going to mess up. Really. Bro, no gun. You're freaking me, dude. Don't do this. Okay, MP40, I've got MP40. OP. My wishes are going real. So I will done with this enemy. And now I have to be. And it is down also. It is also down, and I should kill this enemy permanently, and I have done. Very nicely done. And I have only 43 HP, as I can see. I have 43 HP only, and I think so they will be waiting for me to go there. But I will go from here and here, and then I will see that any of the enemy is coming for me or not. I don't think so, as I will do my loot. So N94 I will take it, as I need. Okay, so here's level 2 for grip. So I need to drop the SMG ammo, and a first aid kit I have got, so let me apply it. My health is 43, and I have killed 2 enemy very nicely, and I have only 6 ammos reloaded. Now this enemy is going. I will shoot at this guy. Right now only I have to shoot it. Okay. Oh no. My god, with Battlefield. If he gives a revive, he is at the end. Oh yeah, my boy. I have killed that person, but I didn't got my kill. Whatever. I have done 2 kills very nicely. My health was a very little, for that I died. Okay, let's go. One more match we are going to play. No friends, let's start. I will be trying to do top 10 at the least in this solo versus squad. I know that I cannot do a booyah, but obviously I'm going to try about my top 10. Let's go. So it is a Diwali. Happy Diwali. And tomorrow, day after tomorrow is our magic cube. And from the Diwali store, I am going to claim what? I will claim a emote and a gun skin. So please try to help me out that which emote I should take. The moon flip or the which? Moon flip and crazy dance and what? Another one I forgot, but I will tell you. So let's go where we should go right now. Pochinok as my favorite place, Pochinok. So let's go. And here at the least a squad is going to come, so I need a perfect loot. In the previous match I got like that loot I need, obviously. So right now let's go. Let's land in the Pochinok. I think so. This enemy which is going from in front of me is also doing solo versus squad. I think so, and is landing on the factory top as to do fist fight. So where I should land right now? I should land here, and I do not need no more rocket. Oh my god, a squad is coming. This is not good. This is not good at all. This is not good for me. Oh no. I do not need backpack. I need a gun, bro. Please provide me with a gun. Thank you, Garina, for providing me with a gun. What this noob is doing? What this noob is doing is not killing me at all. Wow, very nice. It's a nice to me only. Another kill. Very nicely, I have got another kill. Now I have to use UMP right now because I have no more ammo. So let me plant. No, not here. I will not plant here. Oh my god, here are AR ammo. I will take it. Okay, so very successfully I killed 2 of the enemies. I have to search for more 2 enemies because it's a full squad, so I need to see. So it is AUG. I will not take AUG. AUG is not a good weapon for me to choose. Now let's reload at first. Oh, whoa. This man is going to shout at me that why I am baiting this guy. Oh my god, he is going to run, I think so. He is going to run, but I can't give him to run at all. Where is that guy? Bro, no. I've lost that guy. Oh no. I could kill him very nicely, but I've lost him. Okay. Let me see where he can be. He has not gone to the stairs also. Oh, there is he. I got him. I got him very perfectly. Now I will not let him to go from my hand. I will not let him to be alive in front of me. You are killing me? You are killing me? You want to kill me? You need a perfection. Bro! It's not fair. A A noob has killed me! Oh my god! A noob has killed me! Wow! I'm very proud of myself. A noob! A noob and Adam. His rank is bronze. Bro, not at all. No, I cannot do top 10 also. What is going wrong with me? Bro, I have to do something with my top 10 rank about solo versus squad. I'm killing a maximum squad, but at the least, someone is coming and attacking at me. I cannot do anything at all. And my health is low at that time. So what I can do? Bro, I'm messing up with everything. I'm messing up. So this is the last match. If I cannot, then leave it. So I will play a Clash Squad and then bye. Let's see what I can do and what I can't. So now we are going to get in the plane, and another time I am going to land in Pochinok, and if I do not go to top 10, what I can do? I can't do anything. And now it is in the first time, so many of the enemies will come. I need a M10 at the first time only, and the pet I have got mechanical pup from Robobox permanent, and color also permanently, and I will pick it up to level 7 as to get a permanent skin in level 7. It will be maxed. So a squad is landing in front of me, a pro squad. So I don't know what I will do and what I can't. Okay, P90. At first I have got P90, a good. I will throw the bat, and not a single shotgun. Not a single shotgun. Wow, very nice. I should go at the back and loot. In this house I should go, and in front of me there are a squad. So I need a good equipment, and two health kit are there, means first aid. So it's nice, but I have to fight a very silent, means I have to be very fast and furious, then I can dodge them and I can fight them easily. First I should knock this one, as I have knocked. Oh, OP, it's called OP to me. Now I should loot this one and aid at first. I should aid, and I am aiding. Just a minute. Yes, let's aid. Okay, now take a inhaler and go. Bro, I have killed a duo. So let me see. In front of me there is a squad, so I cannot take risks at all. I cannot take a single risk at my face. I should take UMP. It will be very nice. Let's go. A 2x scope, another thermal scope, and I should use this. I think so. Our enemy is there. Yeah, our enemy is there. Oh yes. Our enemy is there. I should take over him. I'm going at him to rush, and when I can see he's coming down, I should rush at him very fiercely. Okay, just wait a minute. I have to wait a minute. What? He has gone from here. Oh my god. He has gone from here. No. Here? No? What is happening, bro? He has gone from here. What a mischief with me. Where is this person? He has got scared of me? I don't know if he has got scared of me, that I am a huge pro, I can kill him. So he has got away from me. So now, oh my god, it is not good. It is not good to me right now. Right now, this one is coming at me. So I have knocked this person. So I have not much ammo, so I should not rush at him very nicely. I should see at first. Oh my god, I am a bullet only. Okay, 209 headshot. So I should kill that person. Oh, he has got woodpecker, bro, and 195 health. I have cleared maximum up to a squad, but not fully. So okay, I couldn't complete my mission, but I was trying to complete it, but I couldn't. Sorry for that. Next time I will try about that. Right now, let's play a Clash Squad rank, and that's all. Okay. My god, my HP was very low. I should heal at that time. And my headshot with the AK was OP, bro, OP. My god, what a danger head I have given. Now let's go. I was like 16 or 26 HP at that time, and the person who was in front of me, he could not beat me. I was of one bullet only, and he could not kill me. Wow, very nice. His wish. As a person has come here to fight with me, but knock. He or she was thinking that I am a pro. I can beat him with a what? With a hand only. What? Two have rushed on me. Wow, it's very nice. Let's see. We are 3v4. Oh wow! This player has given a hit to that person. Oh, that person is running from him. Oh my god! The person has hidden. The person has hide. Now he is going to search for that person, and the person is near at him, and he has given a pure kill. Now he is going to beat this guy, and we are going to win easily. OP, I will give this guy a like. Let's go. Now I will take MP5, my nice gun, but the range is low. So what to do? Now I think so I have to rush. As them because my MP5 range is low, so I need to rush at them. So I'm rushing at them. I have to be very safe at first, because they are also going to come round, I think so. So I should be. Oh, with Desert Eagle, he got damn. My god, he got damn. I think so he has got a headshot. Here is a player. No, they are coming back, I think so. Just a minute. Just let this guy come. I will shoot at this person. Oh my god! double barrel shotgun. Wow. Now this guy only left with a shotgun. OP head. OP head. He has given a OP head. He is playing better than us. Mechanical pop. Oh, I think so. This got diamonds top up. This guy I do's diamond top up. I think so. Now he is seeing that someone will be rushing at him. Oh, headshot with MP5. We didn't knew that here was a guy. Okay, whatever. I need to buy something very nice. I should do with the shotgun. $0. I don't know what I can do now. So he has 3 kills and I have a kill. So let's see what I can do. I have to rush at this time because I have shotgun. Oh my god, oh my god. He is getting very bad. He is getting very bad. Okay. So I'm safe right now, but he is not safe at all. Okay. I've given a head at that person. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I've given a OP. Oh no, both are attacking on me. Why? Why me only? I would have took MP5, then it would be better. I don't know what I will do right now. And she is going round and going to attack at the enemies, and this guy has attacked with shotgun. Gave us dot to dot, gave us. Now it is 140. We are not going to win. A suggestion is coming in my mind. Why? I don't know. Now I have bought glue walls. Let's go. Okay. The time has ended up. Now we are going to kill these enemies because these enemies are taking fun of us. Taking fun of us there. Now they are going to cry that why we have took a danger. Lol. Oh my god, I was giving head to that person, but this I am not going to leave this person at all. Oh my god, it's not good, it's not good, it's not good, good, it's not good, it's not good, and the good has gone down. Now what to do? Nothing to do. We are just going to give up. 3 glue walls and end up of money. Now let's see if we can. This is the last round. Now we will lose all. Okay. And I don't want to lose my rank, my heroic 16 rank. So I will try to win. They have desert eagle, I think so. There will be. Oh my god, oh my god. I should be going inside of it. Oh my god, they have rushed in our okay, I will be shooting from the back. Okay, what, bro? Why are you killing us? Why? You have just imaginings. Now you are going to die, bro. Sorry, you have to die because you have killed me a lot and no more. Help him, go, help him. I'm giving Oh, very OP, very OP. OP, bro. We have got up this round and we need the next round also. Let's go. I will take the Desert Eagle, mushroom, and smoke grenade. That's all. We need to do 3-3. Then we can win very nicely, bro. Let's go. This TJ Arjun has taken double shotguns. Whatever his choice, he will do. I need to give a headshot with this Desert Eagle to them. If I can give, then they will think that why we have took a very long battle. And they are going to rush at us? No, I don't think so. So I cannot see a single enemy right now. So I'm going at here. Okay, I have seen an enemy. So a smoke grenade I have given, another smoke grenade, so that they cannot understand and we can easily fight them. So let's rush right now. I will be very safe. Position, I don't know what to do and I have to take my position. He is doing a great job, I think so. And right now it is going to be, oh no, we have lose the battle, whatever. So thank you guys for seeing this video, and please don't forget to give a like and a subscribe and hit the bell notification to get all my new updates. So that's okay. My pet has been level updated and I will let you see my pet's color. Just a minute. Pet skin magnetic pop, here it is. So here is a new emote which I got, and his skill is with each kill 10 HP I will restore, and that's the emote. If I do level 6 then it's the max level, and that's all. Bye.